Hello there, welcome to our channel. Long Health again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a Wells Fargo bank account online. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. How to create an account on Wells Fargo. First, open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in Wells Fargo. .com like this and enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home page of Wells Fargo Bank, and over here you can see all the services provided by Wells Fargo online, from personal to investing, wealth management, small businesses, commercial banking, corporate and investment banking. About over here, and how to sign up for Wells Fargo. From over here you can see the enroll button available over here just beside the sign on. Click on enroll. From over here you can see you'll be required to first enter your social security number, enter your date of birth, and click on continue. Then after that you'll be required to enter the many details required by the bank itself. In order to be able to create an account on Wells Fargo, you'll have to provide them with, according to your name and details also. And there guys, this is how you create an account on Wells Fargo. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.